How to use Wix for real estate listings. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over and then upload the image that of you have that of that particular real estate or house. Stay on this plus icon and then click on this image option. Click on this upload image if you have it downloaded to your file. Now it will open the Wix Media Gallery. So what you can do in that case is to just drag and drop the file or upload in here from your computer. You can also use social media like this ones, and you can also get pictures from other options like Google Drive. So for this one, let's head over and then add in here this. Let's find the house that we will actually add. We have in here this one, open it. And then after you have done that, it will upload that picture. Now, once that picture has been uploaded, next thing you need to do is you just need to click on this add to page option. Now it will add that house onto your website. So just drag it wherever you want it to be. And then from in there, just click on this plus icon again. And then let's add in here some text. Like for example, let's add heading 3. And then on this heading, you can add or you can show in here the address as well as the name of the house that you're listing. Now, for this one, you can also add another text that will have the paragraph. So let's also drag it right here. And then you just need to position it. And then once you're done with that, just click on this plus option. And then now let's add a button. Now for this one, let's click on this view more option and then let's add it right here and then drag it right there. And then just link it to where you will host this particular house. So that's how you use Wix for real estate listings. Hope you help.